Good morning everyone and welcome to Nino French. My name is Yassine, I am a professional French teacher, and in today's video we're going to be talking about prepositions of place, especially the difference between the preposition à and chez. So when you speak about prepositions of place, we can mean many things. We can mean the places you are in, the places you are headed to, the places you are coming from, the places you are inside, and so on and so on. Today's video is going to focus specifically on the places you are in or you are headed to. And in French, in order to talk about that, we can either use the preposition à, for example, je suis à l'hôpital, or the preposition chez. Example, je suis chez le dentiste. Now, what is the difference between the two? Sit tight and let's discuss it together. Let us begin with the preposition chez, which is used specifically when you are talking about a person's place. It can be followed by a proper noun, for example, je suis chez Julia, je vais chez Marc, and so on and so on. It can also be followed by a tonic pronoun, for example, je viens chez toi, je suis chez moi, etc., etc. It can also be followed by the name or the calling of a relative, in which case you have to put a possessive adjective in the middle that we will discuss in a future video. For example, je vais chez ma tante, je suis chez ma mère. And it can also be followed by the name of a profession, in which case you have to use a definite article that we have already discussed in a previous video that you can find by clicking the I button above. For example, je vais chez le dentiste, je suis chez le boulanger, etc., etc. Now, for the preposition à, it is used when talking about any random place which is not related to a person. And in every case, for à, you have to include a definite article. But there are some modifications that you need to do accordingly. For example, if the place is masculine, singular, beginning with a consonant, you would think that you need to say à le. For example, je suis à le marché. Right? But in French, the preposition à le does not exist. The fusion between à and le gives us au, au. So you say, je suis au marché, je suis au stade. If the place is feminine singular beginning with a consonant, you can use à la. For example, je suis à la mairie. If the place is singular, whether masculine or feminine, but it begins with a vowel or a silent H, you use the preposition à followed by an L apostrophe. For example, je suis à l'hôpital. Now, if the place is plural, whether masculine or feminine, beginning with a consonant, a vowel, or a silent H, it doesn't matter, you would want to use the preposition aller, right? Because it's à followed by the definite article les. Again, that's a preposition that does not exist in French. The fusion between à and les gives us au, spelled A-U-X, and you use it with plural nouns. For example, je vais aux Champs-Élysées. So now that we have covered the differences between the prepositions à and chez, let us practice. I'm going to share with you a screen filled with sentences that you need to complete with the correct prepositions, and right after that I'm going to be showing you the correct answers. So let's not cheat, give it a try, and please let me know your results in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If so, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more French teaching content. If there is any particular topic that you would like me to treat on the channel, please let me know in the comment section, and I hope I'll see you soon. À bientôt!